Electroplating in jewelry manufacturing is a process that uses electric current to coat a base metal with a thin layer of precious metal, enhancing appearance and durability. First, the jewelry pieces are uploaded onto conductive racks or jigs. This setup ensures that each item is securely positioned and will receive an even metal coating during the plating process. Next, the pieces undergo thorough cleaning using ultrasonic cleaners or chemical solutions. This step removes any oils, dust, or oxidation that could interfere with the adhesion of the plating layer. After cleaning, the jewelry is dried completely, usually with warm air or in a drying oven. Removing moisture is critical to prevent defects during the electroplating stage. Then, the jewelry is electroplated by immersing it in a bath containing dissolved metal ions, such as gold, silver, or rhodium. When an electric current is applied, these metal ions bond to the jewelry's surface, forming a uniform and attractive layer. Finally, after the plating is complete, the jewelry is unloaded from the racks and subjected to quality checks. Each piece is carefully inspected for coating thickness, color consistency, and surface smoothness. Any items that don't meet quality standards may be reprocessed or touched up. For more details on Zero's electroplated jewelry, visit our website or contact us now.